back to my channel. In this series, we are going to preparing for the role that is business analyst. Okay, if you are preparing for this role, then this playlist is for you only. Okay, we are going to discuss every each and question answer here. Okay, so just be with me, and we have discussed in the last video, that is tell me about yourself. That is the main basic question. Okay, just go through that video if you haven't done yet, and let's start with this series. Okay, with the next question, that is question number 2. Why should we hire you? What the interviews is assessing, that is value proposition, confidence, business impact, and the leadership capability. Okay, so which answer I have prepared for you, we are going to discuss here. Okay, so senior level answer I have prepared you. So I believe my experience align well with the responsibilities of this role. So over the years, I have developed strong expertise in translating business strategy into deliverable solutions while balancing stakeholders' expectations and the technical feasibility. So, unlike the traditional business analyst who mainly document requirements, I actually facilitate the workshops, then the challenges, assumptions, and they prioritize the business value, support product owners, and work closely with engineering teams throughout the delivery. So, my strength includes the stakeholder management, product backlog management, then the stakeholder management, product backlog management, agile requirement discovery, business process improvement, data analysis, user story mapping, API integration analysis, sprint planning, and the risk identification, executive communication. So I have constantly delivered the measurable improvements in the customer experience, operational efficiency, and the delivery predictability. And also, I enjoy mentoring the junior analyst and driving continuous improvement as well. Okay, yeah. So, I have given you some examples of the answer in this chart. Star means what? You know, right? That situation, task, action, and result. Okay, that is star method. Star method, which method for the interviews. Okay, so if they ask, give me some example for this, what exactly you have done or something. So you can go ahead and give some situation like financial services client experience frequent sprint spillover due to the unclear requirements. So I improve the backlog quality and deliver the predictability. How I have done it, that of course they will ask you, otherwise you have to explain it by yourself only. Okay, by introducing, by by that word you have to use. Okay, you are not going to say like this is the situation, task, action I have done, then I got result kind of thing. No, you have to explain in a simple English communication language. Okay, simple language. If you are just think about it. Okay, if you are taking some interview, then how you can expect from the someone from that person, right? That kind of thing you have to put your answer as well, that that person can understandable everything in one glance. Okay, so by introducing the structure backlog refinement sessions, the standardized user story templates, improve acceptance criteria using the BTT, establish the definition of ready checklist as well, right? Yeah. So after that, we got, don't say I, okay? That we, why we are going to say like we? Because business analyst, that person who is on the top of the teams. So as a team, we are going to do everything, right? Yeah, not the one single person can achieve everything. Okay. Okay, so we got the results after that, like sprint spillovers reduced by 40%, development rework reduced also by 35%, stakeholder satisfaction improved significantly. So after all kind of this, I got realized that investing in requirement quality upfront significantly improves agile delivery outcomes. Got my answer for you? Okay, so just go ahead and you can explain any kind of thing. Okay, you can start your answers from your that star methods as well. Otherwise, you can elaborate something from your end, like we have elaborated costly that senior level answer. I believe my experience align with that on all, right? And after that, if the time permits you, you can go ahead with the situation answer. Okay. Okay. So the next question, walk us through your work experience. So my career can be divided to three phases: that foundation, agile transformation, and strategic business analysis. So in the foundation, I started a business analyst supporting the SDLC project where waterfall method was were using, right? So where I developed BIDs, process flows, use cases, and the functional specifications. So after this agile came, so as organization adopted agile, I transitioned into scrum teams, writing user stories, facilitating workshops, supporting product owners, and participating in sprint ceremonies. So after these, today I work as a senior agile business analyst, partnering with business leaders, architects, and the product teams to define product vision, prioritize initiatives, manage stakeholder expectations, mentor junior BAs as well, and ensure delivery aligned with the strategic business objectives. Right, so always present your career as a progression from the execution to strategic leadership. Okay, you are not going to tell that I am working in the last 12 years as the business analyst. Okay, that is for tell me about yourself, you can cover, but the walk us through your work experience means you have to just walk you through in the three phases. If you have done with the other roles other than the business analyst in previously in these 12 years or 13 years, then you can tell it in the foundation level, because every role is the foundation for your career, right? You can tell as a foundation. Okay, no worries. Okay, no one has got everything in the first, right? When we join as a fresher, we never started the roles kind of which are currently in the market. Okay, in 12, 13 years, this stamp, we that IT business fields are drastically changed. Okay, so that's why no one has having the same 13, 15 years of experience for that role. Okay, our foundations are in different roles as well, but that is the foundation, that is the thinking power, that is your confidence experience. You can elaborate more, right? So till now we have discussed three question and answer in brief. You can just go ahead with why, because these are common basic question, everyone is going to face it in your each and every interview. Okay, so just prepare for this answer. If still you are having any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. Okay, so I would like to help you out. Thank you.